My name's Nick Galati with Galati Yacht Sales. We're on board a 2011 70 Viking Mighty Mouse. This boat's powered by 2,400 horse MTUs. The 70 Viking's a great performer. She'll cruise in the mid-30s, top end mid-40s. She does have a Seakeeper 26 stabilization here, a 4 stateroom, 5 head layout inside. Incredible condition, great maintenance, a lot of which was done in-house by Galati Yacht Sales, so we do have a nice track record of service history, and the boat shows well inside and out. Check it out.